Today we will see how to make the skin beautiful and radiant in a natural way. Many of our skin cells die, so the skin doesn't look as bright as before. Today we will show you how to make the skin beautiful and radiant and at home. So let's start. First, take 2 tablespoons Vaseline in bowl. Vaseline jelly creates a protective barrier that protects skin against environmental factors, such as windburn, and has been used for over 100 years to protect minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Many of Vaseline's dry skin lotions contain petroleum jelly, to give your skin the extra care it needs. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Using aloe vera on the face can help moisturize skin. Regularly applying a small amount of aloe vera to the face can help treat various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and sunburn. Add some amount of rose waters. Rose water has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years, so it's no surprise that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. Mix well. Apply your skin. Keep it 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash with normal water. Use it 3 to 4 times a week to get good results. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.